Today I effed up by looking disgusted when my elementary school bully caught me in his video selfie. I visited my hometown for a Super Bowl party to catch up with old friends. A lot of familiar faces showed up, including my elementary school bully. This guy used to torment me constantly. Taunts, shoves, and bruises that made school miserable. My parents chalked it up to him liking me, but the bruises taught me otherwise. At the party I avoided him completely. Even when he casually tried to chat, I gave him nothing. The actual mess-up happened later in the evening. I was with my friends, laughing and talking about our lives, when I noticed my bully out of the corner of my eye. He was taking a video selfie, smiling broadly as he slowly panned across the room. Without thinking, my face instinctively cringed. I stopped smiling, turned away, and radiated pure disgust. When the party ended, a friend texted me a Facebook link. It was the video he'd posted. In it, his smile vanished the moment he caught my disgusted look. Then, the video slowed down dramatically, turned gray, and sad music started playing. The comments? Brutal. They hyped him up with, "Keep your crown, king," and called me every insult imaginable. It was mortifying. I reported the video to Facebook, hoping it would come down. No luck. It's still up, with views and comments piling on. It's humiliating watching people defend him, while for me, it just brings back every awful thing he did.